أرورا أكاديمي، عنوان للتميز. أرورا.
Good evening. Today we are dealing with countable and uncountable nouns and what the words that we use with countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. What is the countable nouns? Or what are the countable nouns? The countable that we can count them, that we can count them, that we can add a number before them. هي الأسماء التي ممكن أن تعد ونضع أرقام قبلها. I have 3 brothers. Brothers is a countable noun. And we can use the article a or an before them. I have a book. She has a sister. This is the countable noun. The uncountable nouns, the thing that can't be individually counted. uncountable noun الأسماء الغير معدودة لا يمكن عدها بشكل منفرد, like water, money, liquids, rice, salt, and all of these things are uncountable now. We use things in order to count them with them. A words like cup, a glass, water, it is uncountable now. If I want to count some water, or I want to have some water, we add a cup or a glass of water, a cup of coffee. We add words before them to count them, uncountable nouns. Always we use with the uncountable nouns a singular verb. We always use a singular verb with the uncountable nouns. يعني, I'll give you an example. Money is good. Money is good. Money, it is uncountable noun. We use a singular with it. Is good. We have 3 types of rices. 3 types of rices. We added a word here. Okay? Give me a plate of rice. A plate of rice. أعطيني طبق أو صحن من الرز. It is uncountable noun. Also, can I give you some? Sorry. I like all kinds of music. All kinds of music. Now we want to move to another thing that we use with countable and uncountable nouns. Let's start with much and many. Many. We use it with countable nouns. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many students are there in our class? We use many with countable nouns. If I want to talk about uncountable nouns, we should use much. How much water do you drink every day? How much water do you drink every day? How much money do you spend every week or every month? We use much with uncountable nouns. احنا عارفين ان لازم نستخدم مع when تستخدم مع countable nouns, مع الأسماء المعدودة, وmuch مع غير المعدود. Let's move to another thing. Some and any. Some and any. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, but with positive. Any with negative and question. I have some money. If I want to make it negative, I don't have any money. استخدمنا any, not some, مع النفي. Also, if I want to change it into question, do you have any money? Do you have any money? Few and a few. little and a little. When do we use them? Let's start by few and a few. And to know how to differentiate between these two words. وكيف نميز بين هذول الكلمتين. Few and a few. Listen carefully to these examples. I have a few money to buy this car. I have a few money to buy this car. And the second sentence, I have few money to buy this car. What is the difference between these two sentences? شو الفرق بين هذول الجملتين؟ I have a few money and I have a few money. In the first sentence, I have a few money to buy this car or that car. It means I can afford it. الجملة الأولى لما حكينا I have a few money معناته أستطيع شراء هذه السيارة. لدي نقود قليلة ولكن أستطيع شراء السيارة. In the second sentence, I have few money to buy this car. It means I can't afford it. هذا يعني أنني لا أستطيع أن أشتري هذه السيارة. لدي نقود قليلة ولا تكفي لشراء هذه السيارة. الفرق بين few و a few قليل وكافي. few قليل وغير كافي. The same thing as little and a little. But few and a few we use it with countable nouns. نستخدمها مع الأسماء المعدودة. Little and a little we use it with uncountable nouns. Listen carefully to these examples. Someone asked me to give him some water. شخص ما طلب مني ماء. In the first sentence, I said to him, I have little water to give you. It means I can't give you because I use little water. In the second sentence, I have a little water. You can take some. In the second sentence, I have a little water. It means بالجملة الثانية معي القليل من الماء ولكن بإمكانك إنك تأخذ كاسة ماء. The same thing, little and a little. Little قليل وغير كافي. A little قليل وكافي. Thank you very much.